Hey there, Kalyn here, and welcome to another video in the Too Many Cards series that Emily Lee Part and I have created. Today we're using stamps and dies from the Your Next stamp company, and we're using the Cute Cat Bookmark die set, as well as the Cute Animals add-on bookmark die set, and the Heartfelt Sayings sentiment set. So first I'm taking the body of the Cute Cat Bookmark set, and I'm just going to die cut that using some cream cardstock. And as you can see, I'm going to put the face right in the middle, and then there are some extra pieces like ears and a bow that you can add on later. So this is what it looks like all die cut out with the face in the middle. And you can just use some washi tape or scotch tape if you want to adhere that down to your piece of paper so it stays put in your die cutting machine. Then I'm just taking some black cardstock and I'm going to adhere that to the back of the bookmark so that the eyes and nose look black when you look through the front of it. Now that that's all finished, I'm going to die cut the ears out of some craft cardstock, and along with the ears you also get these little die cut pieces that serve as stripes for the top of the cat's head. So I'm just adhering those to the base of the cat using my Tombow Mono Multi Glue, and then I'm going to die cut one more time, and there are little inside ear pieces that you can die cut in any color that you like if you don't want them to match the outside color. So I just die cut those in black, and then I'm going to adhere these stripes to the top of the cat's head. Once that's finished, I'm going to add some dimension by doing a little bit of inking. So I'm using some light brown ink from Hero Arts, and I'm just using my Tim Holtz sponge dauber tool, and just going to do a little bit of inking on the feet, and then I'm going to put the arms over top of a piece of paper and just going to ink up his paws a little bit just to give some dimension and add a little bit more color. Then I die cut out the bow from the set out of some pink patterned paper, just a little bit of scrap that I had lying around, and I thought that would be a nice cute addition, so added that to the top. And then YNS also has some gum drops or enamel dots, so I just put a pink one that I thought matched that well. And there is the completed bookmark. You can see how I use it in a book right here. So the paws go right over the top of your page, and then the cat sticks out the top, which is absolutely adorable and works really well. You can turn right to the page you want. And it's nice and small too, which is great. Now I'm going to create a second project using the Cute Animals add-on bookmark die set, and I'm going to use the same body that I did for the cat, but I'm going to use the face from the puppy portion of the add-on set. So I die cut that out, and the difference is that it doesn't have whiskers like the cat does. So I'm going to do something similar. I'm going to put some black cardstock on the back just to cover up the eyes, but then I wanted a pink nose for this dog, so I decided to cut out some pink cardstock and glue that on the back. And then, as you can see, I already die cut out some brown ears, so I'm just going to adhere those to the top of the dog's head. This set also comes with a couple different sizes of dog bones, so I decided to die cut one of those out in white cardstock and just adhere that down so that the dog is holding it. And this, instead of a bookmark, I was going to use him as a focal point on a card. So I decided to cut out some pink patterned paper. I'm going to place that on a cream card base and just adhere that down using my glue. And then I'm going to place the dog as the center focal point, and then I'm going to play around with some of the sentiments from Heartfelt sentiments. I really liked the one that said, "Let life's simple pleasures fill your heart with joy," so I decided to stamp that in some dark brown ink on white cardstock. And then I'm just cutting that out in kind of a flag shape. You could always use a die cut if you have that on hand, but I just sort of cut it out. And then I'm just going to place that on the top of the card. I wanted to see how that would fill the space and decided to cut a little more off of the left-hand side so it didn't go the entire way across the top of the card. So just trimming that down a bit, and I like the way that it fit, just going about 3/4 of the way across. So then of course I just glued that down using my adhesive. And then I wanted to add some more enamel dots onto this, so I just grabbed 2 of the white ones and put them kind of as anchors on the flag at the top. And of course, to finish off the card, I added some foam squares so that the dog would pop up and stand up off of the card. And that's going to finish off the card. So I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. Be sure to check out Emily's video as well to see how she used these same stamps and dies to make projects. And also be sure to check the description box below for your chance to win all of these stamps and dies we used in this video. Thank you so much for watching.